If you're new here, we're Embrace the Suck 21.
Yes, we are.
I'm Spencer.
And I'm 0. I'm Daniel. I'm kidding.
I'm 1. Anyway, back with some Fred Dibnah. It's not necessarily new, it's 1979, but new to YouTube. On the BBC, the title is Fred Dibnah and his wife topple a huge chimney with fire. Steeplejack, 1970.
And his wife.
I guess he was married before, and
Damn.
maybe this is like, yeah. I feel like part of his story was a divorce and having to work to pay child support, things like that.
Damn.
That's the part we haven't checked out yet through all these clips. Fred Dibnah's made in Britain, the Fred Dibnah funeral. But, you know, it's Fred Dibnah.
Steeplejacking, the last thing I would want ever is my wife to come with me. Like, don't give me a reason to jump off this steeplejack. I will end it. God damn. Don't you nag me from down there. I'll come down.
It's a good thing Holly doesn't watch this, does it? Right?
I know, right? Could you imagine, though? You should have done this. You should have done that. And I'm just like hammering my fucking thing. I'm like, oh my God. God.
I gotta tell you, man, I can't empathize with you.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
I know. Lucky man.
Before we do any more gold digging, are you ready to go in?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, snowy?
Fuck that, dude.
Go.
It's unbelievable this, we shouldn't be here today. I've had instances where people have come where I've wanted a couple of £100, 25 quid, and they've done it, you know, madmen, you know, no pit props, nothing, just chop the bottom out like a tree. And they don't know to an hour when it's gonna go. You know, just keep bashing at it at each side, you know, when it's creaking and groaning, you know, just run out the road, you know, at great speed, like.
Hell no.
You know, you don't need anything, only a sledgehammer and, you know, a bit of lunacy, like, and you're in business.
That's a major big nope right there for me. How about you?
Oh, like working in that environment or the money that he got from that?
Every combination thereof.
Oh, that's a hell no, dude.
Yeah.
Hell no. Like, even at my roughest and toughest, that's a shit day right there, dude. That is no go.
Just thinking, like, the first Fred Dibnah we checked out, with inflation calculator and all that, like, he would have gotten like $34K from that job, and that was like a couple £100 that he said that job was worth. 25 quid, like, even just like 4 figures, like, that's not enough for that, especially in the winter, snow. No, hell no. Hell no.
And you come on the insurance, man, you know, they'll send some little lad out from their office who's never seen a chimney fall down, and he's got to work it all out, the risks involved, you know. Well, by the time it's gone back to HQ, it could have been Groucho Marx who's knocking the damn thing down, you know, which upsets me a bit, you know, when I think, like, that all the ones I've done that have gone okay, and yet the premiums keep going up and up and up all the time. Well, I'll nearly give them up altogether now, you know. If there's no tint way, I'll do it, you know, and take it on my own back. And good luck to them men, you know. I mean, they've got big Mark 10 Jags and pinstripe suits. What have I got, you know? Second down bloody Army Land Rover, you know, and just about managed to keep that going, like.
Oh, dude, he's on the inside.
Wow.
That thing could come down at any minute. Dibnah was mad, man.
Oh my God.
More big nope. Ugh.
Holy shit, dude. Oh my God. He must be deaf putting a jackhammer inside of a chimney. That must
Yeah.
be loud as shit.
Yeah, you probably ask him about him, and all he hears is
Yeah. For probably a week after. Jeez.
definitely.
Oh my god.
Years ago, I was doing one that, when you come home at night, like, I thought, Christ, I hope the bugger goes right, because we'd only got 60 feet to get it in wide. And I came home and having my tea in the kitchen, and it come on the television, here's one that went wrong. I knew it somehow or other. There was something up somewhere in chimney line, and I was running front room just in time to see this factory chimney straight through the middle of the mill, just been kitted out for 3-shift system, It's still shut, that mill, somewhere in Yorkshire. Chopped the mill in half. Well, them were the dynamite men, sort of thing. Well, how do you think I should feel after that when I've got to do this one? They've got to get theirs in. I'd got to get it down a 60-foot slot, Well, from that day to the Sunday that we did it, my nervous system weren't too good. It were a bit on edge. There's no brave men, Any man who says he's brave is either a bloody idiot or a liar.
Yeah.
Take that, put it on a t-shirt.
I love
Any
that.
Man,
That's whew.
any man that says they're brave is either a liar or what?
Oh, I don't know. Go. Can you run it back? Because that's a great quote.
Yeah,
That's
I'll
a
run
great
back.
quote.
The idiot or a liar.
Idiot or a liar.
Or a liar.
100% true. Ah, here's the tires. And fire them up.
It's interesting. Why tires? Do tires, like, I know tires melt. I didn't know they burned. I guess maybe if you get the fire hot enough, it can act as an accelerant. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not an arson, so I don't know. I'm not an arsonist. I don't know if tires burn or do they
Yeah.
hold flame.
Or maybe it's like a combination with wood. Maybe that's just an accelerant, like cooking oil.
That's like,
I don't know.
Once again, the Somalian campfire. That's what I get right there.
I am
Straight
the
up.
captain now.
I am the captain now. Oh my god! All right.
Plenty wood on there.
Go that way, Fred, isn't it?
What?
No, we're not on a bit.
No.
We're not on a bit.
Yeah.
If anything goes wrong, then you want
Yeah.
to...
Yeah, well, that'll start like, won't it? A bit more wood round this side. Ollie? Why, yeah. Well, we'll give it a general sousing over after. Oh, yeah, want to hear it roar.
Fred,
What, love?
how are you going on?
All right, love. How are you?
They'll be safe over there, won't they?
I hope so. Yeah, I think
Right.
so.
Do you want me to light it like I usually do? Or not? No, I usually light it and then
Leave me
he,
alone, I don't.
and then he takes it off me.
Oh, you light the fire, you mean? Yeah. Oh, he's panicking like buggery, man, you know.
Who you mean, the
The Welsh fella.
factory inspector? I don't know.
I mean, everything's beautiful.
And I'm more of a mind view.
Yeah.
I think it's going to go that way, and the
Oh,
wind's blowing that way.
the
Everything's
bloody,
in its
if
favour.
it goes backwards, he says, you know, there's not a bloody 3 million to
So
1
he
chance.
says to me, what's in that tank? I said,
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought you'd be able to tell me that.
Yeah. Oh, I don't bloody know, he asked me as well. He's nervous.
Anyway, that having been said,
Yeah.
we will let you know
Yeah.
when we've got all the evacuation done, when I've
Yeah.
got this road sealed. We're sealing it off with
Yeah,
major
yeah.
incident tape.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that white tape.
Oh, yeah.
Right, can we have everybody out, please? And beyond the white tape.
That's when you know shit's about to get real. Uh-oh.
I'll get going. Turn it round a bit. That's it. Right, now then. Right in the middle there. No. There. That's it. Right, you can give it me now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Lovely thing. Well done.
There it is.
Crazy, dude. Wow, man.
I love how he's just still there.
That's crazy. Oh,
You see it moving, the stick. That stick. I hope the bloody thing goes. It's going. Going.
oh,
There we go!
Dumper. Do you like that?
Signature saying.
wow.
That's crazy.
Right in the right shop, innit? Where's that
Wow.
Welshman? Eh? But it's right, it's a
Wow.
big shop, innit? Here, you can have the...
Good God.
Wow.
Give us a kiss, love. You all right now, Paddy?
Well, though, did that?
It were a good one. I knew it. I had every ounce of confidence in that one. We just got it right.
That's crazy, dude.
Me after a few too many twisted teas.
Oh my god.
Is that chimney?
Oh my god.
Did it give you the heebie-jeebies, man?
Well, when Fred started running, I'm like, oh shit. Like, okay, where are you running to? Own it.
Oh no.
You know what I mean? Like, It's like when the Titanic was sinking. You're just like, yeah, we're going down.
Yeah.
Like, where are you gonna go, bro?
I have no. I don't
Everywhere
know,
is gonna
man.
have brick shit everywhere. Oh man, that's
Yeah.
terrifying.
But
Terrifying, man.
yeah, you're right. When Fred is starting to run, that's when you think, oh shit.
Yeah, when he runs, no, that is the scariest thing. It'd be like, that is on the same. Once you see Fred running, I put that on the same level of danger as when you see a grizzly bear cub. You're like,
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
very not good.
But you know, he still afterwards. I love how he said he had 100% confidence in the whole thing. You sure about that?
Oh no, man, he's a legend. You know,
Yeah.
He's just, if
As
you
like-
want something like that knocked down, you had to have called Fred. You know what I mean?
Exactly. That AI cannot replace that.
Nope.
Mm-mm. In
Nope.
fact, I'd seen a comment saying, echoing my sentiment, which is Chuck Norris, when he goes to bed at night, he checks his closet for Fred Dibnah,
Just in case.
just in case. He kills him with kindness.
Chuck Norris wears Fred Dibnah pajamas.
Exactly.
Yep. Oh man.
Hey,
Man,
it's great. 6, 7, 8 thumbs up. How about
it's
that?
it's Dibnah. Dibnah is Dibnah. Like you can't put a rating on this man.
Yeah,
he is
you can't go
On
wrong.
that.
Yeah,
So-
it's priceless, honestly. Yeah.
Mm.
Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Somewhere around to subscribe and watch another video. Wash your hands, scrub your toes, wipe your ass, blow your nose, embrace the suck.
Unplug and do something epic, guys.
We'll see y'all in the next one.
Later.
Fellas, we can be that mistake. Let's do this.